Philip is asking, you don't have a credit card, hard time finding PayPal account in your country. How do you available for it? My 6-day course, my 6-day challenge, that's my signature training, whereby it's a 6-hour training. Used to be a 6-day kind of live training, but I've already automated it. Now the privilege is you buy now, you immediately can learn, you can get access to the full 6 hours of the videos, which is in 6 lessons. You can start learning immediately. Now, no, if it's either credit card via Stripe or PayPal. So I can't help you on that, because unless if you are in Malaysia, we can still do a bit of a thing, because we can still do the transfer thing. But obviously you're not. I think you're not. So I can't help. I mean, do a bit of work. I think that's worth, take a bit of trouble going through that and make this happen. It's a very good course. Okay. Yeah, I mean, a bit of plug of the 6-day challenge. I used to run it in 6 days. So fundamentally, it's broken down into 6 lessons. Every lesson, I will give you a very important detailed walkthrough on one specific topic. So the first lesson is about building the business manager, which is about laying the fundamental right. The second lesson is about understanding the Facebook ads objectives, which I believe is really important, because if you don't, then you might be, don't know which one to choose, right? And day 3, we talk about ads. I walk you through over, if I'm not mistaken, about 30 ads samples to show you what they did right or wrong, so that you will not make the mistakes, especially about creating the right ads in terms of copy and the creative side of it. And day 4, we talk about audience targeting. I walk through every detailed targeting or whatever targeting settings available, so that you will have a better clarity about how do you target all these people. Now, the 4th, 5th day and 6th day is about action. So I'll give you a detailed, thorough walkthrough on how I set up a 2-step funnel framework Facebook ads campaign from step 1 to step Z. So that's kind of a thing that you get, right? So it's a very powerful lesson. So I strongly recommend that you go to my website. I mean, I actually have it over here. If you go to my website, if you go under courses, okay, so this is the 6-day challenge where it's here. But if you want to click on the 6-day challenge and go right away into it, I'm fine. So fundamentally, other than the 6-day challenge, I do have a few other courses like Facebook ads for Shopee. If you run lead gen, like, real estate, financial services, and this is a very important course. If you guys are serious about learning how to read the metrics, right, in terms of the Facebook ads metrics and whatnot, this is a very important course that you want to go through. And if you sell on Shopify, that's a Facebook ads for Shopify course, a very powerful one. And if you're serious about content planning on Instagram, that's the course that you want to go through. And if you want to learn how to do design like a pro, even without designing skill, here's the one. And I mentioned about the advanced 2-step funnel. This is the one. Okay, it's a very powerful course. And we have this Facebook Business Manager Masterclass, how to sell via email, which is a very important course as well, and how to optimize your Shopee store. So these are the courses available, which you can actually go to my website and find. So I strongly recommend, in terms of learning, I always like to tell people that when it comes to learning, it's about investing in yourself. Whatever you're doing, if it's not bringing you the result that you desire, keep doing the same thing will not change things. So all you need to do is to equip yourself with the right knowledge to level up. So yeah,